love you. And if you will, you have to permit me because I spoke about this father thing. And Coach has this favorite song, and I'm going to give you a brief version of it. You couldn't hear it on the tape, so you got to hear this, right? Because, and it's very brief. It's called Shame and Scandal. And it goes something like this. In Nassau town, there was a family with much confusion, as you would see. There was a mama and a papa and a boy, we are told, who wanted to marry, have a wife of his own. He found him a girl who suited him nice. He went to his mother to ask his advice. His father said, son, I have to say no. The girl is your sister, but your mama don't know. He got very upset. He got very upset that his father told him he couldn't marry this girl. So he went to his mother and covered his head. He told his mother what his father had said. His mother, she laughed. She said, go boy, go, 'cause your daddy